Nestled amidst the verdant embrace of Fatqa village, House Kai stands as a testament to architectural harmony with its surroundings. This private residence, a mere 6 kilometers from the bustling Beirut-Tripoli Highway, finds its genesis in a 780 square meter plot at the end of a tranquil alleyway. Originally a series of 6 terraced gardens, the land's inherent charm, accentuated by authentic local stone walls, served as the muse for Alphonse Kai Architect. The design philosophy revolved around extending the existing topography, transforming the stone walls into integral elements of the dwelling. To achieve this, 2 expansive concrete slabs were introduced, seamlessly integrating the architecture with the landscape. A profound commitment to environmental stewardship and preserving the site's character led to the innovative use of indigenous stones combined with contemporary structural engineering. This approach not only minimized the architectural footprint but also honored the region's building traditions. House Kai's distinctive form is characterized by 2 cascading concrete slabs adorned with inverted beams. The upper slab, bathed in natural light, houses the reception area and main kitchen, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The lower level, a haven of privacy, encompasses bedrooms, a study, and service areas, all centered around an inviting inner patio. This layout echoes the traditional Lebanese central hall house while offering a contemporary interpretation. The house's orientation towards the southeast maximizes solar gain, aligning with the principles of sustainable design. The 2 cantilevered roofs, a signature element of the project, not only define the public and private spaces but also play a crucial role in natural light management. These architectural features, combined with the open-plan layout, ensure optimal ventilation and thermal comfort throughout the year. Ultimately, House Kai embodies a harmonious coexistence between human habitation and the natural world. By respecting the site's history and embracing sustainable practices, the architect has created a residence that is both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally responsible. This project stands as a pioneering example of how contemporary architecture can seamlessly integrate with its surroundings, offering a blueprint for future sustainable developments. And there you have it, a stunning exploration of House Kai, a masterpiece crafted by the visionary Alphonse Kai Architect. This home is more than just a structure, it's a testament to the harmonious blend of design, functionality, and nature. If you were captivated by this architectural gem, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. And to stay updated on the latest in design and architecture, subscribe to our channel. We've got more incredible homes and designers coming your way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.